let me kind of go over some of the benefits. So with microneedling is a handful of things that we're benefiting here. So with a needle like this, we can set the length anywhere between 0.25 millimeters all the way up to 1.5. You can even go higher on this. I don't typically recommend going above that. I'll give you guys the needle lengths and such. And what I recommend based on the research and the data is you're stimulating collagen and elastin production. Okay. Collagen and elastin is what's going to stimulate good, healthy skin. Elastin is going to give your skin also the integrity to be able to flex and not have wrinkles. We want both collagen and elastin. We're doing it by stimulating blood flow. We're stimulating stem cell production. And this is helping to promote new growth by bringing up some of these blood flow and some of the stem cells from down below. And it's really helping to stimulate that collagen and elastin to have youthful appearance, less wrinkles. And then we can even fill in areas, let's say where there may be acne scars or surgical scars. It can help significantly. We can even help areas where there's low pigment, or hyperpigmentation. So if you have sunspots or old melasma on your skin, some of these things can actually help relax that and chill that down, which is really good. So a couple of things. We're helping the collagen and the elastin production. I recommend, though, you want to have good nutrients in your diet, though, as well. You don't want to be like a vegan, vegetarian, poor fats, inflammatory diet. So you want good nutrition, supplemental collagen, supplemental bone broth, grass-fed meat. If you can do high-quality egg yolks, good, healthy, fat-soluble A, D, E, and K, all those nutrients are going to be very important. Another benefit, we're going to improve scar reduction because we can spot treat areas that may have, where a scar is, an indentation. So we can come in there and we can promote growth gently and gradually by stimulating that collagen, stimulating that elastin, and help promote growth. That's really great. If we're putting compounds on our skin, we can help to provide channels within the skin to allow those compounds to get down to the hair bulb. And we can even provide channels to get nutrition deeper to the skin than just superficially. So one of the things that I'll use on my skin when I do a microneedling session, or even in some of the peaks of my hair, I'll use a hyaluronic acid serum, which is great. One, it hydrates because it can be a little bit drying on the skin. It'll feel like a windburn or even a sunburn afterwards. And two, it's going to provide lubrication for the needle to move across the skin without creating any drag, which is important. So that's really good. We can also stimulate hair growth for the same reason that we're helping with the skin. We're promoting nutrition, getting deeper in. So if you're using Rogaine or a finasteride, like a low dose, you can help that penetrate deeper. There's studies on using microneedling in conjunction with Rogaine if you want to go that road to bring down that Rogaine deeper. And they saw a 400% improvement. That's 4x over just Rogaine by itself. So there is benefits if you want to apply or combine a topical. If not, it's going to still help by itself for the same mechanisms. It's going to help with blood flow. It's going to bring blood flow down to that hair follicle, to that hair bulge. It's going to help with inflammation. It's going to stimulate stem cells, which are all going to provide these growth factors to help your hair and or skin to grow.